Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 7th Subject Mathematics.
Children, today we are going to learn chapter 2, example 5. In a class of 40 students, total number of students is, in a class is 40. 1 by 5 of the total number of students like to study English. 2 by 5 of the total number like to study mathematics, and the remaining students like to study science. Okay. The first question is, how many students like to study English? Second one is, how many students like to study mathematics? Third one is, what fraction of the total number of students like to study science? Okay. First two questions is, number of students we find out like to study mathematics and English. And the third one is, write in fraction of the total number of students like to study science. Okay. Let us see the solution. Total number of students in a class equal to 40. Okay. First question is, 1 by 5 of the total number of students like to study English. Okay. 1 by 5 of means it is a multiply, okay, of the total number of students. The total number of student is 40. So 1 by 5 of means multiply 40. Okay. In the fraction, multiply with the whole number. First you multiply the numerator, multiply with the whole number. So 1 into 40, keep the denominator same. So 1 into 40, 40 divided by 5. Okay, the denominator is 5. So 40 divided by 5, the answer is 8. This is the one of the method. The next method is, you have to cancellation. In the previous class I told you, by cancellation you have to find out the answer. 1 5 is 5, 8 5 is 40. So the answer is 8. So first question answer is, 8 students like to study English. Second sum, 2 by 5 of the total number of students like to study mathematics. How to read this? 2 by 5 or 2/5. Okay. 2 by 5 of the total number of students. That means 40. 2 by 5 of means multiply 40. In one fraction, one whole number multiply to be multiplied. What do you do? First you multiply the numerator with whole number. Okay. 2 into 40 by 5. The denominator, keep the denominator same. So 2 into 40, 80 by 5. So 80 divided by 5, your answer is 16. The next one is, you have to cancellation to get the answer same one. Okay. So 1 5 is 5, 8 5 is 40. So 8 in the numerator. So 8 2 is 16. By cancellation also you have to find out this sum. Okay. Answer, 16 students like to study mathematics. Out of the total number of students is 40. 40 students, in 40 students, 16 students like to study mathematics. 8 students, first sum answer is 8 students like to study English. Okay. Here 16 students like to study mathematics. The next sum we find out the fractions. Total number of students like to study science. Third question is, the fraction of the total number of students like to study science. Okay. Here first we see number of students who like English and mathematics. Okay. The number of students who like English and mathematics. 8 students like in English, 16 students like in mathematics. First we total these two number of students. So 8 plus 16, your answer 24. Okay. 24 students like to study English and mathematics. The remaining students are like to study in science. Okay. So number of students who like science, the remaining students are like to study science. The total number of students is 40. These two subjects students is 24. So 40 minus 24, 16. So 16 students like to study science. Okay. But in the question is the required fraction. What is the fraction of the students to like to study science? So the total number of students is 40. The number of students who like science is 16. So 16 by 40 is the answer for the third question. Okay. Exercise 2.2. First one, which of the drawings A to D show? Okay, A to D show. First one, 2 into 1 by 5. That means 2 times of 1 by 5. In the 5, the denominator, it is total number of parts. In the numerator, one part is shaded. Okay. So in this picture, total number of parts is 5. So this one is total number of parts is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And one part is shaded. How many times in the picture? 2 times in the picture. So first one, D is the answer. First one, D is the answer. Okay. The second one, 2 into 1 by 2. That means 2 times of 1 by 2. So 2 times of 1 by 2. The number of parts is 2. One part is shaded. Okay, one part is shaded. In the figure, in the picture, so 2 part, one part is shaded. How many times it is? 2 times. So second one, the answer is B. Okay, the second one, the answer is B. Third one, 3 into 2 by 3. So 3 times of 2 by 3. So total number of parts is 3. 2 part is shaded. Here in A, 3 parts, 1, 2, 3. 3 parts, 2 part is shaded. How many times in the picture? 3 times in the picture. So in the third one, the answer is A. Okay, in the answer of the third one, the answer is A. Fourth one, 3 into 1 by 4. That means 3 times of 1 by 4. So total number of parts is 4. One part is shaded. Okay, total number of parts is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts, total number of parts. One part is shaded. How many times? 3 times in the picture. So fourth one, the answer is C. Do you understand, children? Exercise 2.2. Third sum, multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert into a mixed fraction. First you multiply and then to reduce to lowest form and convert into a mixed fraction. First one, 7 into 3 by 5. 7 is a whole number, 3 is a numerator. So 7 into 3 divided by keeping the denominator same. So 7 3 is a 21, the denominator is 5. Okay. Here in the 5 table there is no 21. So you cannot be cancellation. If you cancellation to reduce the lowest form. So you cannot be do that reduce to lowest form. So convert into mixed fraction only. So 21 divided by 5. 5 4s are 20, the remainder is 1. So the quotient is your whole number, remainder is your numerator, divisor is your denominator. So answer 4 1 by 5. The sixth sum is 5 by 2 into 6. Okay. So numerator multiple with the whole number divided by 2. 5 6 are 30, the denominator is 2. In the 2 table there is 30. So you can be cancellation. So 1 2 is 2. 15 2s are 30. So 15 by 1, the answer is 15. Okay, 15, the denominator is 1. So 15 by 1, the answer is 15. So in the sixth sum, the answer is 15. Ninth sum, 13 into 1 by 3. 13 is a whole number, 1 is a numerator. So 13 into 1 divided by 3. 13 1 is 13, the denominator is 3. Okay, 13 by 3. In the 3 table, there is no 13. So you cannot do the reduce the lowest form. So only do in the convert into mixed fraction. So 13 divided by 3. 4 3 is 12. The remainder is 1. 4 is the quotient is your whole number. Remainder is your numerator and the divisor is your denominator. So the answer is 4 1 by 3. The 10th sum, 15 into 3 by 5. Okay, the whole number multiply with numerator divided by denominator. Okay, the 15 into 3 is 45. 15 into 3, 45. The denominator is 5. In the 5 table, there is 45. So 5 9s are 45. So the answer of the 10th sum is 9. So 9 is a whole number. So you cannot change into mixed fraction. So the 9th sum answer is 9. The sum, first one, 1 by 2 of the circles in box A. Okay. In box A, how many circles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 circles. 12 circles. Half. 1 by 2 means what? It is a half of the circles. Okay. The 12 circles in the box A. Half of the circles means we find out easily. The half of the portion is 6. Okay. So in solution, total number of circles in box A is 12. Okay. Count the circles. How many is 12? Half of the circles in box A. Half means 1 by 2. Half means multiply. The total number of circles in box A is 12. Okay. So 1 into 12, 12 divided by 2. So 12 divided by 2, your answer is 6. So how many, the question is what? Shaded. So 6 circles are to be shaded in box A. Okay. Any 6 circles to be shaded in box A. Fourth sum, second one, 2 by 3 of the triangles in box B. Okay. In triangle, it is the box B. How many triangles? 9 triangles. Okay. Solution, how many shaded? 2 by 3 of the triangles in box B. Okay. Total number of triangles in box B is 9. How many shaded? 2 by 3 of the triangles in box B equal to 2 by 3 of 9. Total number of triangles in 9. 2 by 3 of means multiply 9. So 2 into 9, 18. Okay, numerator multiply with the whole number 18 divided by 3. 18 divided by 3, answer is 6. So 6 triangles are to be shaded in box B. Okay, here 9 triangles, any 6 triangles to be shaded in box B. Find C-sum 3 by 4 of 16, 3 by 4 of 36. In C-sum there are two sums. Okay, first one 3 by 4 of 16. 3 by 4 of means multiply 16. In the by cancellation you have to cancel only numerator by denominator or the side number. That means the whole number by cancellation, whole number with the denominator. Okay, so 3 into 4 4s are 16. Okay, now the numerator is 3 into 4. So 3 4s are 12. The second one 3 by 4 of 36. 3 by 4 of means multiply 36. In a 4 table you have 36. So 4 9s are 36. In the numerator you have 3 into 9. So 3 9s are 27. D-sum 4 by 5 of 20, 4 by 5 of 35. Two questions in the D-sum. Okay. First one 4 by 5 of 20 equal to 4 by 5 of means multiply 20. In 5 table there is 20. Okay, so 5 4s are 20. In the numerator you have 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. And the second one 4 by 5 of 35. So 4 by 5 of means multiply 35. In the 5 table there is 35. So 5 7s are 35. So 4 into 7 28. Okay, in the numerator 4 into by cancellation the answer is 7. So 4 into 7 answer is 28. 4 7s are 28. Sixth sum multiply and express as a mixed fraction. Okay, first you multiply and your answer express as a mixed fraction. So 3 into 5 1 by 5. It is a mixed fraction, so you convert into improper fraction. 5 5 is a 25 plus 1 26. The denominator you have 5, so 26 by 5. Okay, here in the numerator and denominator in the 5 table there is no 26. So you cannot be cancelled. This one also you cannot be cancelled. So you have to multiply whole number with the numerator. So 3 into 26, the keeping the denominator same. Okay, by 5. 3 into 26, your answer is 78. The denominator is 5. So it is a improper fraction. So change into mixed fraction. Okay, so 78 divided by 5. So 1 5 is 5. 7 minus 5 2. The next number is 28. So 5 5 is a 25. The remainder is 3. So the quotient 15 is your whole number and 3 is your numerator and 5 is your denominator. Finally the answer is 15 3 by 5. And E sum 3 1 by 4 into 6. It is a mixed fraction. So convert into improper fraction. 4 3 is a 12 plus 1 13. Here the denominator is a 4. So 13 by 4 multiply 6. Okay. You in the numerator and the denominator you cannot cancel. In the 4 table there is no 13. Okay, and here 4, this one is 6. Okay, these two numbers the common table is 2. Okay, in the 2 table there is 4, there is 6. So in the 2 table you have to cancel. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Okay, so in the numerator you have 13 into 3, the denominator you have 2. So 13 into 3 39, in the denominator you have 2. So it is an improper fraction, so change into mixed fraction. Okay, so 1 2 is 2, the remainder 3 minus 2 1, the next number 9, so 9 2s are 18, the remainder is 1. Okay, so the quotient 19 is your whole number, remainder 1 is the numerator and the divisor is your denominator. The answer is 19 1 by 2. Dear students, this is your homework exercise 2.2, second sum, third, fourth and fifth. Do your homework properly. We will meet on next video. Thank you.